Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Windows Malicious software removal tool to check your PC for viruses and malware using just a built-in tool that comes with Windows. The Windows Malicious software removal tool is a free security utility from Microsoft. It helps detect and remove specific widespread malware from your computer, even if you already have antivirus software installed. To open it, right-click on Start and select Run to open the Run dialog box. Now type MRT and press Enter. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to continue. You will now see the malicious software removal tool window. Click Next. And you will get 3 scan options. Quick Scan checks common areas where malware is usually found. Full Scan scans your entire system. Custom Scan lets you choose a specific folder to check. Choose the option you prefer and click Next to start scanning. The scan may take a few minutes depending on your system and files. Once the scan is done, the tool will show if any malicious software was detected and removed. If nothing harmful is found, that means your system is clean. That's it. You've just used the Windows Malicious software removal tool to check your PC for malware. It's a simple but effective extra layer of protection for your computer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.